Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are
BOSH.
Today we're cooking you something absolutely delicious. It is a gorgeous summery BOSH bowl.
Now we put BOSH bowls in our first book because we were enamored by the wonderful butter bowls. You're gonna love this.
It's healthy, it's amazing, let's get to it. Now we are really big right now on healthy recipes. We've just been to this amazing summer camp. We're feeling healthy, it's summertime, so we're just cooking healthy food right now.
Now, vegetables are the thing that is mainly on our plate. We're trying to avoid like refined carbohydrates and loads of sugars, so this dish is going to tick every single one of our newly formed healthy boxes.
In here we've got some delicious ingredients. There's red peppers, there's cherry tomatoes, there's broad beans, and we've got some slightly quirky and alternative orzo, which is kind of like pasta, but you could use pasta if you prefer.
Do you know what that makes this?
What?
Pasta salad.
Pasta salad.
Boom.
Who doesn't like pasta salad? And to top it off, we've flavoured it with some Italian flavours that are niche but amazing. We've got lemon, we've got olive oil, we've got dill, we've got thyme, and then we've got some green rocket.
Now people sometimes think salad's boring and salads are no, but I tell you what, salad is a big fat yes, because there are so many options for it. You can put roasted veggies in there, you can put pasta in there, you can put rice in there, you can put whatever you want in there.
You can have this hot, you can have this cold. This is an incredible dish, and you know what? It's a bit of a fridge raid recipe, so put whatever you like in there.
Make it for your mum.
Make it for your dad.
Hey!
Hey! Or your granddad. Whoever you like, anyone is going to love this. A few tips for you about healthy food. You know, we tend to like to think about a 50-25-25 ratio. That's called the rainbow ratio, or at least that's what we call it. So 50% fruits and veggies over here, 25% is your like healthy fats, nuts, etc. And then you've got 25% protein, things like tofu, legumes, etc. Aim for that proportion and you'll be A-okay.
And where do you get your protein from?
From plants, baby!
Woo! Yes, absolutely. Whoever asks you that question, if you're vegan, where do you get your protein from? Just answer one simple answer. From plants, baby.
So there we have it. We've now prepared this lovely, gorgeous, colourful creation. It's time to have a little taste.
Right, let's not mess about. Let's crack straight in.
Let's get in there.
Oh, those broad beans looking good, man.
Oh, the fennel. Forgot to mention the fennel. This thing is packed full of roasted fennel.
Oh my God. It's getting flavoured dance.
Guys, this is BOSH. Drop your comments down below. We make videos like this all the time and we want to know what you think.
And do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. Bish.
Bash.
BOSH.